Today we're making cocoa raspberry Branson bunnies, the cutest cocktails you will ever see.
The stinking cutest.
The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is get you some hollow Easter bunnies. You're gonna take a knife, run it under some hot water, and then carefully carve an outline around the top of the Easter bunny where you wanna remove the ears. This outline is gonna create a weak part in the bunny, so that way when you go to chop off the bunny's ears, he doesn't fall into a million pieces.
Now carefully cut the bunny's ears off, and then you can eat them.
You got a little snack.
Yeah.
You're gonna dip the bunny into some chocolate and then into your sprinkles and set that aside. In a shaker with ice, we're adding a ½ ounce of white creme de cacao. Then we're going in with a ½ ounce of raspberry syrup, 1 ounce of Branson's VSOP, and then we're going in with 1 ounce of cream. Shake that up real good and then strain it into your bunny. We filled our bunny with some crushed ice to keep it nice and cold. Then we're topping off our bunny with a bushy mint sprig and a flower. This cocktail tastes like a boozy raspberry truffle.
The kids aren't the only ones getting treats for Easter this year.
If you want to get your hands on a bottle of Branson's VSOP, head on over to SireSpirits.com or download the Sire Spirits app on iPhone or Android and find a store near you.